Welcome to the first Solarpunk Cities video. Solarpunk is an optimistic view of the future, with practical present-day solutions to achieve it. So what is Solarpunk? Solarpunk sees a sustainable, eco-friendly and optimistic future to create an inclusive and harmonious world. Solarpunk was first coined around 2008 as a hopeful, creative response to environmental and social crises. Unlike the many dystopian narratives, Solarpunk imagines a world where communities thrive through harmony with nature, clean technology and shared resources. Since 2008, the Solarpunk idea has evolved from fiction to a global design and cultural movement. Artists, urbanists and activists have proposed real-world solutions inspired by Solarpunk ideals. So what are the guiding principles of Solarpunk? The first is optimism. Solarpunk is optimistic. It's hopeful, believing in humanity's ability to create a better world through innovation and collaboration. The next principle is fairness. At its core, Solarpunk is a vision of a world that is fair and equitable. A world where everyone can thrive, regardless of their race, gender, class, or any other social or economic factors. Another principle is that of decentralization. Solarpunk sees local regenerative solutions across the globe, a future where humanity lives in balance with the planet. This decentralized, ground-up approach is part of what makes Solarpunk more than a genre. Indeed, it's a living, evolving practice. The next principle is biodiversity. Solarpunk advocates urban environments that integrate nature and wildlife. It fosters coexistence between human communities and the natural world. Biodiversity brings significant economic and ecological benefits, which is crucial for sustaining human life and that of all species on our planet. The next principles are sustainability and green energy. Solarpunks prioritise sustainable living and eco-friendly technologies to reduce environmental impact and decelerate climate change. Sustainable living can be achieved by moving away from fossil energy sources and instead using photovoltaic solar systems, wind turbines, and by harnessing the power of water. Green energy sources have become a reality, such as biogas and geothermal. Let's now look at the technologies which enable the Solarpunk vision. Technology serves as a catalyst and is the backbone of Solarpunk transformation. Technologies such as electronics, data exchange and networking, bioengineering, new technologies for improved logistics and transport, the multiverse of software and artificial intelligence to be utilised to make Solarpunk a reality. Now let's elaborate on the looks of Solarpunk, its arts and its aesthetics. Images, books, movies, design and architecture play a significant role in creating and spreading the Solarpunk vision. Solarpunk promotes positive visuals, aiming to make sustainability a desirable and beautiful part of daily life. Here is an example of a green cityscape in a retro, futuristic style, generated through artificial intelligence. This is a modern tower block with lush greenery on its balconies. It's located in Singapore. Singapore, with its amazing parks and architecture. So these are the principles that define the Solarpunk vision. But the tag punk is the culture. Punk infers the culture to empower, to disrupt, so to transform today's world energetically to be a better one. This video has presented the Solarpunk vision. Hopefully it gives an understanding of the principles of Solarpunk and the culture to achieve it. You can find more on the Solarpunk Cities website and can subscribe to the Solarpunk Cities newsletter to get updates on the Solarpunk vision. So join the Solarpunk movement and let's make the world better. Thanks for watching and join us on solarpunkcities.com.